Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 1000. We've just installed the Wolverine front skid plate and front A-Arm guards. Want to do a little walk around and tell you a little bit about the guards on the front of the Wolverine. A couple facts about it. It is 1/8 inch brushed aluminum, and on that skid plate there's 1/8 inch of E-coated and powder coated steel reinforcement plate behind that front end. You still have full access to the tie down points as you see, and as we do a little more walk around you'll be able to see the coverage on them. On the A-Arm guards, they're also 1/8 inch aluminum brush finish to match that front skid plate guard. Billet machine spacers are welded to the skid plate and integrated into the points of ease just to make that installation a breeze for you. Super easy to install. Recess mounting hardware, resists snags as well. Clean out port for self-draining and washing also. We'll be sure and post up the part numbers in the description below. But let's do a little closer look here. Let's start with the front skid plate. As you can see, very well built, very nice design. You still have full access, like noted, for those tie down points. Giving the machine definitely a sweet custom look. Added protection as well. Let's see how far it wraps under the bottom. Nice one-piece design, differential drain hole, and all the way to the back. Very clean protection underneath. Very durable and of course amazing looks. Then to the A-Arm guards. These are also one piece. Check out the welds on that. You've got a drain hole location there. Keep that mud and gunk sliding out. Very good protection as that wraps up around the side. Let's take a top look. And then around to the back side. You can see how it wraps up around the back side or rear of the vehicle as well. There's another look at that front skid. Very smooth. You can see how the bolts are recessed up under, tucked under nicely. Complements the machine very well. These are two separate part numbers, you guys. We will be sure and post those up, like I mentioned, in the description below. What do you think? I think they look amazing. Functionality is obviously going to be there as well, giving you that added protection as you're out punishing your RMAX. 435-427-3338 is the shop. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great day, everybody.